This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this video, a vocal exercise to help you with the high notes. All singers tend to tighten up on the high notes. It's almost as though we were holding an egg and we're afraid to drop it. Unfortunately, if you squeeze an egg too hard, the same thing happens with your voice. You want to always keep the muscles in your neck relaxed, but the tendency is various methods of tightening them up. One way of doing this is we tend to jut our chin out, stretching them slightly. I want to show you an exercise to avoid that. All you need is a blank wall someplace without too much stuff hanging on it. Back up to it, put your back against it, put your head against it. Try some of your high notes. If you keep your head against the wall, it's hard to tighten up your muscles. Usually the first thing that happens when you tighten up the muscles around your pharynx is your head pulls away from the wall, so it's really easy to detect. I confess I had one student who had this problem so badly that when he tried it, he actually bashed his head on the wall because he went for the high note, stuck his head forward, realized what he was doing, and immediately went back into position. It was a cinder block wall and didn't quite knock him out, so he was okay. He was a tenor. Check the links below the video for other vocal exercises that might be helpful. Down below that, there's this big gray box for comments and questions. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm always happy to help. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been a vocal exercise to help you with the high notes. Thank you for watching.